Hello guys, to the video I'm gonna show you the tool I could using to increase my view and the interaction of any video or live stream that I want on YouTube. Okay, so here you can see in the screen, this is my tool, and in this tool you can manage and using multiple email that you want, and you can use this email to create the YouTube channel, and you can use that YouTube channel to watch and increase interaction of any video or live stream that you want. Okay, so you can see I have many functions of this tool, like about account management, process management, account interaction, setting function. It means you will use your YouTube channel to go to video or live stream that you want to interact with, or posting function or live stream function. So in this video I'm gonna show you this function about setting function. So I will choose setting live stream, and in here you can choose the account that you want, and after that I will select the channel list. Next I will set up the basic configuration. You can set up the breakable time iteration like this, and enter the link of live stream that you want in here, and you can set up the time that you want to YouTube channel to watch, and you can choose many options like about interaction after setting live stream. You can auto watch release video, or auto follow video, or add to playlist, and you can choose interaction or subscribe channel or share channel to the live stream. And after everything's up, I just press start and let the software do the work. Okay, so basically just show you the tool I could use to increase view and interaction of video or live stream on YouTube that I want. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you guys contact me in my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel to see more video about automation tool.